We're at the park with and Michaela.
What'd you buy? Hi. Hi, it's not even scary if you stand up. Freaka, freaka. That's your head right there. I get to take the zips on here. Wait. Better not fall, Michaela. I'm not gonna fall. Don't do that.
No, don't do that, Michaela.
Yes, sir. Yes, YouTube. Hi,
So we got Dom a Dutch Bros with a metal straw. Why do we have a metal straw?
To save the sea turtles.
To save the sea turtles. That's right. What did you get from Dutch Bros?
A unicorn blood.
What does it taste like?
Tastes like strawberry milk. Like you could taste the almond kind of.
This is Michaela with the popcorn. Show them the popcorn I made.
Delicious, by the way.
I made homemade popcorn. It tastes like
It's hot in here. It's hot in here.
It's not hot in here. It's perfect. Are you hot?
Uh-huh.
How are you guys hot while you guys were running? They tell secrets.
I don't know. Sometimes I can't hear you go.
What are you guys eating?
Taco Bell.
What'd you guys get?
I got a soft taco. I got a Dorito local taco.
I didn't want to try your potato thingy.
Huh?
I didn't want to try your potato thingy.
You can if you want.
I've never heard of like.
I think it has. I can't tell. I keep on thinking it's sour cream and like the cheese. I'm not sure or something.
Save the sea turtles and get some metal straws. That's all I'm saying. Metal straws. Then we're gonna go to Bath and Body Works and run some errands. Cause I got some stuff for Christmas that my family members gave me, which I'm grateful for. But they got all the wrong scents for me. Like all the scents that they could have possibly thought I liked. They thought it was like the wrong person. Like I'm not ungrateful, but like there's some scents that I can't like have because I get a horrible headache. So I had to exchange them. So the girls are making
I saved it. Good. You
peanut butter cookies.
Peanut butter cookies. Peanut butter jelly.
No, peanut butter cookies. And then we try to make.
Peanut butter jelly time.
We try to make a funfetti cake, but the bottom just like.
It's cute.
It's
It's a party more than the top.
The top was not fun. There's Marcia. I was Baby Urban. I'm vlogging on my phone today because I didn't bring my camera.
Huh?
What? What?
What? No. You're being annoying.
We just got here, bro. I don't think so.
I think so.
I think I'm gonna get Taco Bell. I'm gonna see what Michaela wants Taco Bell.
Taco Bell is nasty.
I love Taco Bell.
It's disgusting.
Did you miss me when I was gone? Like, did you miss me or did you miss me taking you to McDonald's? Look at that smile. Look at that smile.
Both.
He's beating him. What are you saying about the Cowboys? That they're gonna choke?
They're gonna choke it either today or in the championship.
How are they gonna choke today? They're leading the score. Ask Kevin what's
They
the
could
score.
choke. They could choke.
Ask Kevin what's the
They
score.
could choke.
Ask Kevin.
They could choke.
That is bonkers, right?
You're being bonkers.
I taught them 3 new words today. I taught them, that was a big bite. Does it fit in your mouth? Oh, that's what she said. What's the score now? Ask Kevin.
What's the...
There's no one in your contacts mentioned Kevin.
Ask Kevin.
What's the score for the Dallas Cowboy game?
Looking for the Dallas Cowboys.
Look
The
at that.
Cowboys are beating the Seahawks,
Look
24
at that.
to 14, with 2 minutes remaining in the
Still
fourth
2
quarter.
minutes? Let's see if we can watch it live.
I'm trying to. Get out. Right, get out. I'm gonna get it. Get out.
Be careful with this drink.
I'm gonna get it. Get away from me, freaking can opener.
I was thinking about that. Why does he call you can opener, Evan? But why?
On Michaela's birthday, he was opening drinks with his one tooth.
His little tooth is cute though. Watch. Do you have all your teeth?
Oh, you dummy! No. Erica.
I'm just a camera woman right now.
Knock him out if he doesn't. Let me tell him.
Evan. Evan. How did you fall? What? Evan, what? Hey.